Alright, we're in Waukegan. There's two 330As in that building. How exciting. And now we're at this parking garage, which I believe, yeah, this is also part of CLC. It's dark in here. Ooh, there it is. This looks sketchy. What do we got here? Got a big old camera there. Oh my God, look at this paint job on the door. It's all lumpy. Literally looks like somebody just took a bucket of paint and splashed it on the door and called it a day. It's not glass? I thought it would at least be glass. What the? Look at that. It's got a glass shaft and it's not glass. That's a load of crap. Thanks, guys. Freezing in here. Jesus. All right. Well, I'm gonna get a view and then we'll go back down. It's just a bit, it is freezing in here. It's all snowy. It's your typical January weather. It's probably a Lakeland Larsen. Phone. Telephone serviceman.
Well, that's sexist. What if it's a woman?
Look, you can see my breath. It's very cold. Oh, now it lights up, but it rings, but it doesn't light up. Time to get my 1 bit of exercise for the day, running around to see the elevator move. Oh, it's in this side. Oh, it used to be glass, but they covered it up. That's a load of crap. Boo. Anyway, let's inspect the pit. Actually pretty clean. Anyway, that's it.